You know, sometimes it's just hard. Oh, sorry. We're here at Chick-fil-A, and Chick-fil-A is kind of one of my favorites, guys. The kids love it too, and it is actually one of the healthier options for fast food, and you can make some good choices here. So that's the good news. But again, it's those traps that we've got to watch. Like a lot of the sauces, they might be low in calorie, but they're actually really high in sodium. Like the zesty sauce, delicious Chick-fil-A sauce. We love that stuff. But the sodium count is really high, and that in turn can affect kind of our overall health. We also know that the sauces add a lot of calories. Like a single serving of sauce is 140 to up to 150 extra calories. I'd rather enjoy the food, quite honestly. So let's think about it. You're trying to order that salad, but then you put all that sauce on there. You've sort of negated the health benefits. So the sauce should be something that maybe a drop here, a drop there, but that's a great way to save some of these empty calories and to bring that sodium count down. There are so many great healthy options here at Chick-fil-A. I love the grill sandwich. I often order that on a gluten-free bun, so if we could go ahead and get that. And then I love the salads. If we could get the Southwest salad.
What dressing were you interested in?
Honey mustard?
Yes, we do.
We could do that.
Honey mustard.
Correct. I know you have your zesty sauce and your Chick-fil-A sauce too, right? Are those the most popular?
Chick-fil-A is definitely the most popular, and then are you referring to the zesty buffalo?
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Would you like some of those for your
Sure, we'll take those with us.
Okay, and then for your sandwich entree, did you just want the entree or would you like the meal?
Just the entree would be great.
Absolutely. Okay. All right. Is there anything else I could do?
That's
for you?
it.
All right, I'll send you up to the window for payment. It'll be $16.20.
Awesome. Thank you. You've been great. I appreciate it.
Go in.
You want to jump back in?
1 hour later.
I wanted waffle fries. What? I don't want lettuce.
We're gonna get kicked out of Chick-fil-A. All right, ready to eat? I'm hungry. I don't know about you. And the key thing is, I don't know if you guys heard her ask me to order the meal versus just the entree. And remember the meal, I don't know if we all really need all that stuff, the fries and all the sides. This is filling it up. I've got my gluten-free bun, I've got my protein and all the other good stuff to put together to make a yummy sandwich. And later, if I get hungry, I've also got this great salad. I'm going to take it out and show it to you. And when I eat these salads, I don't put any dressing on it. I literally put maybe a drop at the most and then mix it all together and don't put the rest of the stuff on there. And that's how I conserve both salt and calories. So these are all the little hacks that you can use to still order out, still travel, right? We got to live, but not have your calorie count, your sodium count, your fat grams get out of control and still keep it within reason.
1 hour later.
Where are my waffle fries at? What?
Did she just not hear me? Did she not pay attention to anything we just
If I'm
said?
going to Chick-fil-A, I'm going to eat the lettuce.
Yeah.
I'm going to eat the waffle fries.
And people just never learn.